Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. So many people are enjoying the weekend with their families, seeing the old town car, old Corvettes. Just you have to enjoy your Saturday, your Sunday with your family. How cool is this? I'm Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and we do residential cleaning and commercial services. Instead of using your free time to clean your house, just call us or check our website anyhousecleaning.com and enjoy the weekend with your family and your kids. Let us do the cleaning for you. How about that? Beautiful car, people enjoying with the family, the kids. We serve Champions Gate, Devonport, Abordale, Dr. Phillips, Orlando. We do maid service, housekeeping,
Look at this one.
new construction, new home cleaning. We clean for realtors. We clean for new homeowners. We provide all our equipment and supplies. We have so many years of experience. We are really well known in Devonport, Champions Gate, Central Florida. You just need to call us in advance at 407-572-4118. Also, I strongly suggest to do your research before calling us. You can see that we have a channel on YouTube with more than 1,000 videos of how we clean houses. Go ahead. We have excellent reviews on Google and Facebook. And I have a lot of videos how to clean a shower, a toilet, windows, remove paint on new construction windows, remove the haze from new tile. But you know what? I decided today to do another kind of videos. Suggestion that you have to go out with your family, enjoy life. Keep our number 407-572-4118. My name is Fiorella. I work with Hilda. We have excellent reviews. We are honest, hardworking people that I really love to clean. But at the same time, when we have free time, we go around Orlando, enjoy music, and you can do the same thing. How cool is this?
Sempre morri de vontade. Eu não sei se eu tenho coragem. Hello!
Hello, how are you?
Hello!
Paul wrote this song on a yacht. We went training and his girlfriend
Hello!
and he knew he was going to break up with her. So he wrote this song and it's kind of sad. It's called Things We Spent 2 Days. You say you will not.
Let me show you my favorite car. Check this out. What a motor, right? Let me show you the green one that is over there. I forgot to mention that we also have a truck mount that we do carpet cleaning. We sanitize the carpet. We pre-vacuum. We remove some spots per urine treatment. We offer that. All our services are 100% warranty. So keep in mind our business. We are located in Central Florida. Let me show you this awesome truck. This is it. So many hours that the person who owns the car spent making pretty. Wow. Wow. The owner of this house must be so proud of himself. This is our old Chevy. Rebuilt. Check this out. The black one is awesome too. This is Old Town, Kissimmee, Florida. This is a 1934 Mercedes. Check out the rim. People are admiring this machine. It costs $49,000 in 1990. Wow. This is a truly antique car. Well, this is Fiorella, okay? From anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. Bye.